Oh no! Okay, screw it. Oh. Oh my god.
Ah.
I'm sorry.
Oh, I saw that. I saw that. Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know. We still got 5 minutes.
Yeah, we're not gonna win this.
It's fine. We can try.
2 seconds later.
Oh, thank you, Doofus. Thank you so much. Oh, I flew right into that. I get PTSD from this far, I swear to God.
I still have. I don't see.
How? How? What the freak? Where did the... Huh?
I'm coming to the.
Oh, fuck. I'm dead. Yeah. Hmm.
Okay, I did really good.
What the hell?
Bolted.
Ah! How? Kid, who did this to you? Wait, I'm gonna switch.
Me too.
You ever do that?
Why does the Torb keep dying?
The Torb is me.
Why do you keep dying?
Because I can't do shit.
Oh, you gotta... That was personal. That was definitely personal. The Ryan slammed me. That's what she said.
I'm joking. That's what she said. I got slammed.
You just got that? Took you a while. You're like, huh?
Oh my god.
Lucid, no, I was using you. Come on. No.
Oh no, no, you can't actually. Fucking Ryan.
Fucking Ryan, back up, bro. Thank you, Kit. You saved me life. Okay, I'm happy. We killed the Ryan. I'm happy. Wait, in that case, do you want to go Moira?
No, I'm going Zen, so I can give people my balls.
He has a nice body. I'm joking. What?
Is Kit simping over Zenyatta?
No. Maybe.
Who just died? Ah, yes. I love killing Pharahs.
I can't do anything with Farah.
I can. Oh, she knows I'm after her. She knows I'm after
Where
her.
is she at? Oh, I see her.
Front of the payload. Got her.
He's so low.
He's got
Got her. Got her. Got her. Mhm. Lucid, do you want? Oh, you want Nino?
Alright. Oh, is it?
She's so nice. We woke him up. Can I do it? Ooh. Oh! Aw, they switched. No. Is he coming this way? Yeah, that's what I thought.
He's
Yeah.
low.
He's lit. Did you see that kid?
First death.
Yeah.
He's really just coming after me.
I'm gonna change.
He's really just...
Oh, we need to go. Yeah, McCree's fucking
Sorry.
magnet grenade thing.
I know that tire's coming for me. I
Yeah,
know.
I hear it.
Oh. Ciao.
Thank you. Can you give me
Just
two?
go to-
Thank you. Oh,
Yep.
thanks.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. I've got ult, so if we want to push up a bit. Okay.
Oh, fucking hell. Come on. Damn. Nice.
Yeah.
Oh my
Well, I
god.
need you go. I'm gonna read some things off, and I need you to tell me what flavor I should have.
Okay.
Wait a damn minute.
Flavor for what? What are we
so
talking
there-
about here?
Flavor.
Flavor for what?
Flavor.
Oh, I got you. I read you. I just want to know who your dealer is.
And I want to know too. Oh.
I need you to tell me a
Well,
flavor.
listen. Can you give me some?
Yeah, you know, spill it. You know, let me just record real quick and then just give out a name. You know, a shout out. You know.
I heard talent.
Can you believe, Kit, that Lucid doesn't have a girlfriend?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's totally girlfriend,
Yeah.
boyfriend
Wait.
material.
He's like,
What?
I can't believe he doesn't have a girlfriend. Kid's like, yeah.
No.
What do you mean?
that.
I think Kit's high.
Oh, I'm bi. It's okay.
No, I said I think you're high.
Oh no, I'm not. High.
She's like, I'm bi.
Like, I'm bi.
I'm bi. Yeah.
Ladies are pretty cool.
They are.
I don't know why my girls get not I get.
Well now?
No,
Huh? Whoa, what?
Finish that sentence.
Hmm?
Fuck
You're
off.
bigger than me. I'm small.
That's what she said.
Alrighty. Well, I don't know.
Why would you do that? See, why in the world would you do that?
Oh my.
I'll damage boost you heal.
Okay.
As a soldier player, I can say we cannot aim.
He's just running into the
Yeah, as a soldier player, I can say everybody performs around us.
Shoulder needs.
I got you.
Oh,
That was good. Ah, minions.
let's go, lose it. It wasn't. Well, their French fries is good. Oh, yes, we have a Farah. Where's she?
I would heal you if you stayed in my little circle.
Oh, nice.
Anyways,
I love Farahs.
what the fuck was that? I have dragon.
Nice, Kit. Nice.
Oh,
Nice.
It only took 3 ults. You're a pro, son.
I know. I did get at least one rifle.
Well,
You can find the guy I played with who got like 3 kills each game with Dragon Blade. I mean, I was 18 kills too. I was like, oh my god. I started to be like, what the fuck happened?
nice.
Nice.
Let's go.